Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we are delving into the details of SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to remain informed about our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since December 13th, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.82. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may be expected. The 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 20% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of nearly 38% to just under 10%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of about 6.6% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between a decline of 36% and an increase of 101%. This range suggests a price between $19.70 to $62.18 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF price up more than 8.45% on Friday. The SOXL ETF price gained 8.45% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of December, 2024. It rose from $28.39 to $30.79. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 6.19%, with a low of $29.49 and a high of $31.31. The price has some volatility during this period, with a total gain of 9.73% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. In total, 49 million more shares were traded than on the previous day, resulting in a total of 103 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $23.50. Currently, the price stands 56.06%, or $39.29, below the 52-week high, and 91.86%, or $347.45, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price hit $378.24. Recent developments surrounding the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOXL, present a mixed landscape for investors. On the 10th of December, reports highlighted that SOXL has plummeted by 55% since earlier recommendations suggested alternatives, citing the inherent risks and volatility associated with leveraged exchange-traded funds. This decline reflects a challenging environment, particularly as SOXL's performance has not met its targeted 3x return, raising concerns about its potential to recover even with a rebound in the semiconductor sector. Compounding these issues is the growing competition in the semiconductor space, notably from heavyweights like Amazon, which may challenge NVIDIA's dominance. Such shifts could further pressure semiconductor exchange-traded funds like SOXL, especially as high valuations and large insider sell-offs indicate unease within the market. Despite these headwinds, there are opportunities for strategic income generation through SOXL's active options market. The current volatility allows for potential high returns via options trading strategies. However, these come with significant risk. In the short term, SOXL's continued decline may deter risk-averse investors, while those with a higher risk tolerance might look to capitalize on its volatility. In the long term, the exchange-traded fund's fate will largely depend on broader semiconductor market trends, competitive dynamics, and the ETF's ability to regain favor among investors despite its recent struggles. This evolving landscape will be crucial for gauging SOXL's stock price movements in the upcoming months. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Today's chart reveals mostly positive signals. The SOXL ETF indicates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook for the ETF. However, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $29.06 and $30.52. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and thus far it has appreciated by 15.49%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The rising volume accompanying the price increase is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 20 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 170 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 36 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 102 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 92 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $30.09, a level that may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.83, which is a change of 6.19%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.78%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $32.16. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $30.09. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $29.07, reflecting a decline of 5.57%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 19 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of December, we expect SOXL to open down 262 ten-thousandths and start trading at $30.53. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.